Okay friends, we're back again for another Trader Joe's haul. Ludo dropped his ball. Don't mind the mountain of bags we need to break down and recycle. Ludi, did you get a haircut? Does it look good? It's not too bad, but we did get quite a few of the new things, so I definitely wanted to share. It was just basically like a produce run. That's the good news, is we're not really wasting any food, which means a lot to me, and I'm sure to my husband.
My cheap ass, yes.
Yes, I wasn't gonna say it, but you did. But okay, so let's just go over what we got. Here's the whole overview. So okay, here we go. Starting with produce. I looked up a few Weight Watchers recipes, and a lot of them involved potatoes, and we just eat potatoes throughout the week, so we got a big bag of the gold potatoes. These are my new favorite type of potatoes. We got the organic Caesar salad kit. You guys know I'm a bitch for that. And then we got a bag of arugula, because 2 recipes we want to try this week involved arugula, and my arugula seeds did not grow. So, I mean, they grew, but then they died, so that was a fail. Got a bunch of bananas, 2 Honeycrisp apples. We got some carrots and celeries, because I'm going to make a onion dip, and I want something to dip in it. Did I? Carrots and celery. We got some mushrooms, which we actually have plans to go to Costco later this week, because we need strawberries, raspberries, all that, because we know we have to do a Costco run. But our meal tonight calls for mushrooms, so he got a little thing of it. Got some red bell peppers. We just like snacking on those. We use them all the time. Some garlic, some delicious looking mango. I've been obsessed with mango, and so has Ludo. Some diced onion, some green beans, and then a cucumber. Then over here we have some new items. So this is the new cooking spray. It's the ghee, I think that's how you say it, and sunflower oil spray. This has amazing reviews. I love the packaging. I think it looks so cute. And we use the coconut oil spray for now, which I do like, but it gets stopped up really easily, so we need to do cooking spray, and I just want to try what all the hype is about. Bradley got some goddess dressing, and then this I am so excited to try. This is new. This is the organic sweet and spicy pineapple barbecue sauce. I'm literally so excited about that. So yeah, a couple dairy products. We're actually going to try to recreate Maggiano's Rigatoni D, which if you've been there, you know it's the greatest thing ever. So we're going to try that this week. We've decided Thursday night is pasta night. He needed some cream. He bought too much cream, but maybe I'll make ice cream or something. Then we got some non-fat plain Greek yogurt. I use this to make my bagels, but I'm also going to use it to make onion dip, to dip my fruit. I mean, not my fruit, to dip my veggies in. I got another one of the mango tangerine candles. It's wild how much this smells like the Anthropology volcano candle. It smells identical, and it's only like $3 or $4. So I picked up another one of those because I know that they'll be out of them soon. We still had a lot of turkey from last week's haul, which I can link up at the corner. So we just got 2 things of eggs. We've been watching a ton of the Food Network, and Rachel Ray made some sort of steak situation with arugula on top, so we're gonna make it. So he got a New York strip steak, and we also got some organic turkey. We like to use that in like pastas with ricotta and whatever. Turkey corn dogs, these are really, really good, and if you're on Weight Watchers, they're only 5 points, so it's like a pretty good lunch if you pair it with, you know, a 3-point side, a little 8-point lunch. We got some special cookies, of course, which last time somebody's like, they watched my pantry video and then they commented on the grocery, like, you already had special cookies. I'm like, yeah, but I eat them all day, every day, so we needed more. And then Bradley got some coffee. Then over here, I'm having an obsession with these garlic and herb pita chips, so we got more of those. Bradley went to the store today, and he always comes home with flowers, which is so nice. But they're so cute, and they're very summery. These are Bradley's 2 snacks of choice, the organic corn chip dippers and the peanut butter filled pretzels. These are basically Fritos, like they literally taste the same. So yeah, I don't really care for either of those, but Bradley eats them literally every day. I do care for this Many Things snack mix. I love it. Give you a close-up of what you get in there. It's so good. Then a couple of more new items. These everything but the gluten crackers. We have some brie cheese we need to eat, and these are all the rage on Instagram, and they just like look good, so I wanted to try them. We're gonna have some right now with our soup for lunch. And then they have these 2 new protein muffin things, which like, is this just the mix and then I have no idea, so we're gonna try it. But we got the protein maple muffin. We got some pastas, rigatoni and fusilli. This is the one that we like to put in our chicken noodle soup. which we did film. I don't know if that vlog is up yet, but I'll link it if it is, and if it's not, stay tuned. Some more snacks for Bradley. He likes these peanut butter, chewy coated and drizzled granola bars. He loves their cereal bars. Then he got some bagels, and then we, like I said, been watching a lot of the Food Network. We watched Ina make like garlic bread with a ciabatta roll, and we had to have it, so we got one of those. And I love how it's a small one. And oh, and some chicken stock. And that, my friends, I think is it. So we're gonna go put this all away. If you enjoyed this, I have a whole playlist of grocery hauls. I can link it up in the corner. But yeah, otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.